And welcome back. Right, today I'm going to shoot a movie scene. I'm not even going to leave this room. We don't need a van, a location scout, no permits, no petrol, no rain delays. We're going to find a real place in the world using Google Earth. We're going to stand in the street virtually, choose our shot, clean it up, add actors, and then call action. I've done this for real. Out freezing my nuts off, dragging lights through mud. This isn't coming from somewhere what it feels like to be on a real set. This is just how it is now. Ready? Let's go. First step, location scouting. We zoom out. Whole country, whole world if you want. But let's concentrate maybe on somewhere familiar for me. Let's go into London. We type in London town, what street we want, or at least what area we want. I'm from East London. Let's go to East London. There's a famous street there called Brick Lane. Let's go drop into Brick Lane. And now we're doing what every director does. We're not looking for a cool place. We're looking for leading lines, depth, texture, natural light direction, and most importantly, story potential. That corner shop with a flickering light, that alleyway with a damp brick and one broken lamp, that long road disappearing into the mist. Composition doesn't change, tools do. So I rotate the camera, I crouch the virtual viewpoint, I look left, I look right, and when I feel it, that's the frame, screenshot. Now we clean it. Because Street View isn't cinema. We remove the Google UI, straighten the horizon, crop out the warped edges, tidy the distortion. Then we're going to Higgsfield. We're not changing the world, we're just tidying it up. Maybe we ask it, to remove a few parked cars. That awkward pedestrian half walking through a glitch. Sharpen the textures, balance the contrast, maybe enhance the sky slightly. But then we respect the location. Because this is a real place and this is what we're doing this for. So now it starts to feel like a real set. Next, actors. So we generate our character, we place them in mid-ground, and this is the moment we call action. We animate, subtle camera pushing, distant traffic ambience, maybe one line of dialogue. Thought you said this place was empty. 5 seconds, 8 seconds. That's it, and suddenly we've filmed somewhere we've never been before. Now here's the thing, is this replacing real filmmaking? No, but if your goal is to always tell stories, then why wouldn't you use that tool that's available? The camera changed, digital changed, editing software changed, now location scouting has changed. You can stand anywhere in the world and decide if your story belongs there without leaving your studio, and that's that. It's either terrifying or exciting, depends which side of the fence you're on. But one thing is for certain, the people that learn to direct these tools are going to build worlds faster than ever before. And this was shot somewhere I've never stood, but I directed it. Hope you enjoyed this. Please like, share and subscribe. It does help me out. See you on the next one.